Conducting business in the state of California can be cumbersome with the various documents needed to establish and maintain a business entity. Why not simplify your filings through the use of the bizfile online portal? Through the use of the bizfile online portal, users can submit business filings, request certified documents, and more from the comforts of their home, public library, or even your favorite coffee shop. The Secretary of State's office has increased the access to business resources right at your fingertips. With an increase in access comes an increase in protection against fraud and business identity theft. When registering your business in the BizFile online portal, you are automatically granted full access to conduct online filings on behalf of your entity. Many organizations may wish to grant user access to service companies or other individuals to conduct filings on the entity's behalf. Allow me to guide you through this process. You may begin by searching for your desired entity by selecting the Search tab located on the left hand side of the page. Once the business search page populates, scroll to the bottom of the page and enter the entity name or entity number within the search field. Options will generate after selecting the blue magnifying glass. You can confirm the entity you are searching for by selecting one of the highlighted entities in blue. After selecting your desired entity, a gold panel will appear from the right hand side of the screen. On this entity profile panel, information will display that will help you to identify details before proceeding, such as the entity's filing name, address, and more. Keep in mind, you do not need to be logged into your account to access this information. However, you do need to log in if you wish to request a certificate, file an amendment, or even submit a statement of information. If you are looking to conduct business on behalf of an entity and do not possess access or authority on behalf of the entity, you may request access by selecting that request access icon at the bottom of the entity profile panel. Once selected, a window will generate at the center of the screen to confirm that you would like to request a personal identification number, or PIN. A PIN is generated to protect the entity against bad actors and reinforces fraud preventative measures. When a PIN is generated, it generates a set of numbers that are uniquely identifiable to the individual and no one else. A PIN is unique to every requester and is required to gain access to an entity's records. When proceeding to request a PIN for access, select the blue Request PIN button within the pop-up window. Once you select that Request PIN button, a new miniature window will pop up displaying a Input PIN Now button. You will not be able to input the PIN number until it's received via mail by the business entity at the address on record. The PIN number is generated with the Secretary of State's office and then placed in the mail. Please allow for up to 7 business days for the business entity to receive the PIN. After the PIN is received, you may revisit the Input PIN Now window and select the button. Enter the PIN into the text box and then select the blue Get Access button. If attempting to conduct business on behalf of an entity and access has already been established by another user, here are 2 common scenarios where I would like to advise you on how to proceed. Scenario 1. If a third party assisted in the formation of your entity, you will need to reach out to that third party or individual in order to get access. Scenario 2. If someone has access to your entity while you should have access, proceed with requesting access from the individual via the online portal. If you have not received a response in approximately 2 weeks, please contact the Secretary of State Business Programs Division at bizfile at sos.ca.gov. When requesting access from someone who currently has access, select the Request Access button within the Entity Profile panel. A pop up window will display informing you that you need to request access. After selecting the blue Request Access button, you will see a message stating you've successfully requested access to this record, displayed in green text. An email is generated and sent to all authorized users under the business entity's account. Once the authorized users approve your access, following the prompts outlined in the email, you will then have the ability to file amendments and conduct additional filings on behalf of the entity. Want to learn more about how to submit documents and navigate the bizfile online portal? Then check out our instructional videos located within the Video Resources Library on our bizfile website at bizfile.sos.ca.gov.